What's up everybody, Goat Toaster 9, JJ Shankles here, back with another review. Today we've got the aarke Carbonator II. Here's the box of it. This is sort of like a SodaStream-like device. It carbonates your water and gives you homemade, fresh carbonated water instead of having to get a can of LaCroix or whatever off-brand carbonated water you get. It doesn't flavorize it for you, but it does everything else. So we're going to talk about how to use it, how much I enjoy using it, and why I picked this one. This isn't an affiliated review. I purchased this myself. I was not sent it by aarke, but I had such a good experience with this machine and with the company, with their customer support services, that I really wanted to make a review on it. So, full disclosure, the first one I bought broke. It's down here. This one doesn't work. The handle is stuck halfway. It stuck halfway and just kept pushing carbonation into the water, and we couldn't get it back up. We kind of just had to wait till the entire canister was empty. And then, so we emailed the company and said, hey, our machine is broken, sent them a picture of the arm being stuck halfway down. They asked for the serial number, where I purchased it, what day I purchased it, and then they asked where to send the new one. So they just sent us a new one, brand new. And I thought that was just a great experience with a company that I didn't know going with aarke. It's a lesser known company than SodaStream. It even uses the same SodaStream canisters. But there's a couple reasons why I picked this one. I wasn't expecting to have such a good customer service experience, but I did. A big reason to get this over SodaStream, they do the exact same functionality. The big is the looks. It looks nicer. It's a solid stainless steel body to here, so it's very heavy, very solid on here. Number two is it has no wires to it. A lot of the more advanced SodaStreams, they have electronics in it, so you have to keep it plugged into a wall. This one I can put here, I can pick up, put it on a bar cart, I can put it, if we're having a party, I can put it on the counter, on the island. Anywhere I want to put this, I can just carry it around, set it there, and it's ready to go. I really like that feature. And with the manualness of it, you can adjust the amount of carbonation to it. If you like a lightly carbonated drink, you only do 1 pump, or 2 or 3 for a really carbonated drink. That's what they recommend, to do 1, 2, or 3. So it's really easy to load the canisters. Make sure this thing doesn't fall. You load them through the bottom, you screw it in until you can't screw anymore, and then that's about all it takes to set it up. It comes in 2 pieces. One piece is the machine, the second piece is this little metal grate where there's a drip tray down at the bottom. Works really well. And I like that there's no setup. The setup is screwing the canister into the bottom. With this canister making 60 liters and one can only being about 12 fluid ounces, that works out to about 17.7 cents per equivalent LaCroix can. I searched on Amazon to see what the current price, and for 48 cans was about $33. That works out to 69 cents per can, which makes a savings of around 53 cents per can. And if you were the type of person who drinks about a can a day, that would be, you would make up the equivalent of this, since this does cost $199. Original full price if you don't get any coupons or savings on that. Mine, I got it on sale and used some gift certificates for it, so it wasn't that full price I paid for it. But if you drank 1 can a day, you would recoup that cost in about 389 days. But if you were the type of person who drinks 2 cans a day, you could cut that in half very easily, or if you made a full one of these every day. And that's also not counting in the fact that you can trade these back in for a $15 credit towards your next one. Target, Kroger, I think Walmart also is in that. So a bunch of stores that sell them, you can turn the canisters back in, and they're only $15 each, which doubles your savings. So now onto the tutorial of how to use it. This is the bottle that it comes with. You fill up to the mark. There's a mark on both sides telling you how high to fill the water. I usually try to keep this in the refrigerator. It seems like cold water holds onto the carbonation better, while warm water will bubble it off. And if you sit warm carbonated water and cold carbonated water, the warm carbonated water will bubble more and then go flat quicker. So I usually try to use chilled water. You just screw it on there, and now you're ready. This, you press it down until you hear there's going to be a shrill noise. That's when you know you just let it back up. That noise means you release. I usually do about 2 for a normal. If you want extra carbonation, they recommend 3, or undercarbonated, just do 1 for a lightly carbonated drink. But it's all whatever you prefer. And I really like the flexibility that they give you to be able to make whatever drink you want. And really easy to flavor after that, since you can make it as carbonated as you want. You can put whatever you want in there, natural flavorings. You just put a squeeze of lime juice in there, some lemon, grapefruit, whatever you want to really naturally flavor it instead of whatever LaCroix decides to put in there. I know there's 0-calorie flavorings that they put in there are great, and I'm not bashing on them, but I like the ability to, I can put some slices of cucumber in there or whatever I want to put in there. I know what I'm putting in my drink. And that's one of the benefits of making your own carbonated water. But that about wraps it up. It's a pretty simple machine, easy to use, fairly straightforward product. I really like the company aarke. They just sent me a new machine when the old one broke, and I really like that in customer service, really reaching out to the customer and making it right. Let me know if you have any more questions about this machine. Put them in the comments down below. While you're down there, like and subscribe as well. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Goat Toaster out.